Scheduling your training program of hundreds of classes over multiple months is a complex and difficult task. Most struggle working with large spreadsheets and calendars and lots of back and forth communication. We've solved this problem for our customers with our inbuilt scheduling tool. Our scheduler enables you to quickly build out your training program with many classes, instructors, and rooms all in the one place with all availability taken into account, thanks to our calendar sync. Our tool keeps you in control, but informs you of any conflicts and issues as they arise. It can even build you a suggested solution to your scheduling problem based on your configuration that you can then adjust until ready. Once it's ready, it only takes one click to push those events live and take advantage of other automations in our system, like sending out communications to the people you've booked and put entries onto their calendars. Our scheduling tool keeps to our promise of saving you a massive amount of time, enabling you to reinvest in growth. Speak to us to find out more.